Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make crispy egg chips. Here is all our ingredients. We need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. We need 1/4 cup of cornstarch. We need 1/4 cup of water. And we need 1 large egg. We need half teaspoon of pepper and we need half teaspoon of salt. In our small bowl, beat our egg, put our salt and pepper, beat it until all well combined. Set this aside. In our separate bowl, we need to put our all-purpose flour, our cornstarch, and our water. Mix it. Gradually put the water. Mix it until all well combined. Put our ice into the mixture and put our egg mixture to our flour mixture. Combine together with our ice cubes. In our pan, I already preheated our oil. We put some mixture. Depends how much you want, how big it is. Yung ating egg crispy chips, titingnan na po natin. So, yung ating crispy chips, pwede try na po natin. Pwede po siyang pambenta sa street, sa mga bata. Siguradong papatok ito. Ilagay lang po natin siya sa disposable plastic cup. Pwede po natin siyang i-separate para po mas matansya po natin yung dami ng kung paano hanggang magkano po natin siya ibebenta. Siguradong papatok siya sa mga bata. Hope you like this video, guys. Happy cooking! Bye! See you on my next video.